Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'm gonna show you how to add an assignee on ClickUp. Watch the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to assign a task to someone on ClickUp, there are multiple places where you can assign the task. Tap open your ClickUp application and then sign into your account. If necessary, you can assign one person, multiple people, or a team to one of the tasks on your ClickUp. First, go ahead and create a task in order to add an assignee to it. Tap on the rainbow button at the bottom of the screen and then tap One Task. In order to create a task, go ahead and create a task name by typing it in the task name text field. Once you type in the task name, pick a location by tapping on this button over here and then select a location where you would like to create the task. Once you do so, you'll be able to see an option that says Add Assignee. Tap on Add Assignee and select one of the contacts to whom you'd like to assign the task. Once you select the person, tap on Done at the upper right and you'll be able to assign the task to someone else. Now after you're done, go and tap on the Send button. Now you can go and add a description for your task. Set the priority for your task from origin to low or simply no priority at all. If you want to add more assignees, tap on this Assign button and select More from your contact into the Date category. You can go ahead and select the start date and then the due date, and finally, you can also add the time for the task. Now finally tap on Done and tap on Sending at the bottom right. Now the task has been moved to the location that you've selected during the task creation process. That is how you can assign a task to someone else on ClickUp. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.